Hello friends, how are you? I'm back with a new video today. I will be showing you how to install Oracle Linux today on VMware. So let's start. So first of all, we'll create one virtual machine, then we'll install Oracle Linux on it. So for that, we'll create a new virtual machine, be it as default. Click next, then select I will install the system later. Go to next. System is Linux. Select the version. Let me search Oracle Linux. But before that, we forgot to select the installation disk. First, we need to select the installation disk. So for that, I'm going to desktop. I have kept the software over there, all softs, then Oracle Linux. Okay. Then I'll go here. Then click on next. Then go to Linux. So now it's a type of Oracle Linux. So just a moment. Now it's a type of Linux 64-bit, so we can select Red Hat Linux 5. We can select because it's in 64-bit Linux. So fine, we'll select it. Let's see what happens. Select this, go to next, put a name, Oracle Linux, then select the folder there you want to install by browsing. So I'm selecting the folder E drive. I'm installing it on F drive, VirtualBox OS. Then sorry, it's not VirtualBox, it's VMware. So under VMware, Oracle Linux. Okay, select OK. Now click on next. I'm taking as our best choice will take as 50 GB, say. So instead we can take 80 GB also. Say let's say 80 GB are taking, then stored in a single disk as a single file. Click on next. Check the hardwares. I'm taking it as 2 GB as memory. Processors, new auto detect, it will not auto detect. Use the image disk. Select here. Then again go to desktop. Then all softs. Then Oracle Linux. Okay. So after that, network adapter, it's fine. It will be net load pointer display. Okay, then close it. So our description is already been given. Now I'll go to finish. Now power on the virtual machine so that it will start. I'll install this tool later. So click cross over here. Now click next. Let it start. You can put Alt Control so that you can get out of this VMware screen, otherwise it will be locked, your mouse pointer will be locked. So I am putting Alt Control so that it is out of the screen. Now follow the instruction on screen, you will get to know one by one how to install. Click OK. Put enter on OK. Click on test. Let it test the disk. It's 5.7 version of Oracle Linux. It will take some time, so be patient on that. Okay, now we can start. You can continue. Okay. We are putting our CD once again. Connect. Then press OK. It should start now. Now it's getting started. Now follow the on-screen instructions by clicking next over here. English as a language, or yes, it's language, so click next. Make it event me later. Click next. Then again next. Erase all the data. Yes. Let it search. Then now here I am taking custom layout because I need to partition the disk on my own. So let it custom creation layout. Click next. Then we need to do the layout one by one. So before that, just a moment to check how the things are going. Okay, everything is fine as of now. Now let's start. Select, click new, then select here, root, let it be extension 3, give size, make it a primary partition, give size as 3072 MB, 3072 MB, that is almost 3 GB. Okay, and then click OK. Now click OK. Next, select mount point again, as now this time it will be boot. We'll select as, now let it select this and force to be a primary partition, and let it give as a 2048 MB, that is 2 GB as boot sector. So then click on OK. Then again new. Now select home, give size as 7168, that is 7 GB. Okay, now click on OK. Now again create another one, and it's called temp, which will be required while we install Oracle on it. So select temp, then allocate 4 gig that is, just a moment, that is 4096. Click OK. Then again, now let's create another one. It should be USR. Why we are creating all this? Because we are going to install on it Oracle 11g, so that's the reason we are giving this structure of mount point. So give it as how much we can give, 10. Okay, we are giving here 10 gig over here, 10240, correct? 1024 cross 10, yes, that's correct. So click on OK. Create another one. Now click VAR, give it as 7 gig, means 7168 MB. Click OK. Click another one. Now select here OPT, allocate 8192, that is 8 GB, 8192. Click OK. Click another one. Now create another one is U01. Allocate 8 gig, 8192. Click OK. Click new. Now go to file system, select swap, give 8 gig, 8192. Click OK. Now create another one called disk 1. Give as 12 gig, that is 12288. Next, how much space we left? Okay, give another one, disk 2, make it fill the maximum allowable size. Alright, just give that space, make it maximum fill. Okay, so now check boot, root, disk 1 we have given, user, U01 var, home, temp and disk 2. So we have allocated almost everything. Now go ahead, start the installation. Okay, our disk partition is over now, it's completely done. So go to next. Let it be default. Click on next. Okay, here is we need to change it. Now here we can take it as default. If we don't want to give IP address manually, you can keep it as default. If you want, you can change it by giving manual IP address, but for me I am taking automatically via DHCP. There is dynamically IP address will be taken, it's not a static IP address. So click on next. Now you have to select the location. I'm selecting here India. Not taking my Asia, Kolkata. Okay, now let's check once. Okay, now let this be in default, then click next, then give the ID and password of root. Password you have to give we can give it as we want. Click next. Now software components we need to select. Everything we are selecting. Then going to this customize. Now we go to next, select this one, come here, select all applications, here select all, come here, development, select all optional packages. Why it is not selecting? From here again, select all, select all, from here select all the optional packages, from here all, clustering all, visualization all. Okay, and Control A, select all optional packages. Alright, here also same, here also same. Let's check once more. Done, done, done. Here also done, here also done, done. So now we can go to next. So all the packages have been selected. Those are optional, but we need to select it to get it installed in a proper manner. So let it go. So now we can start the installation. So let's start. Click next. It will take some time, so let it be installing. At the moment I'm pausing the video, I'll come back with the installation completed screen. Otherwise the video will be very long, so bear with me. This is the progress. The time will be depending upon your how much memory you have given while configuring the VM system, because it will take time accordingly. If your memory is high, it will be faster. If it is low memory size, then it will be slower. So friends, it is completely installed. Now we are going to reboot the system by clicking on reboot. Then we will do the post installation steps. Let it start. So welcome screen has come up. We'll go to forward. Then yes, agree the license agreement. Forward. I will better to disable it. Yes. Keep it disabled. Yes. Next. Keep it default. Create a new username. Say Oracle 1. Oracle. But remember, this is the system which is case sensitive. If you give capital letter over here, you have to give capital letter while logging in, otherwise it will not be allowing it to log in. So give the password. And forward, click next, then click on finish. Okay, system is rebooting now again. Let it start. In the meantime, go to settings and do not use the physical drive, so that auto delete will be there. ISO, it's already over because our installation is already over, so make it okay. Let it start. We'll do the next post installation activities over there after it is started. The system is rebooted. You can hear the noise, hear the sound. Now log in as root, give the password. Alright, Simpler installed completely. Now we need to install the VMware tools. So for that, before going to there, I need to check the disk space. df-h is the command to see the disk allocation. As we have done the partition, you can see the details over here, used how much percentage, and they will be showing. So everything is correct now. As of now, disk 2, temp, home, var, opt, user 1, user, disk 1, boot, UV and root. Fine. So clicking on, now we are going to install the VM tools. Go to VM, install VM tools, select this one, then extract to, keep it in desktop. It is extracting, done. Now double click on it. Now open this one on terminal. I'll show you. double click, run terminal. Now just you have to press enter, nothing else you have to do. Press enter, again enter, 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 enter. Yes, initializing. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Now the resolution is this. You can take this or this, whatever you want, it's up to you. I am taking option 3. It is the default it has taken. I am taking option 3. Okay. Now it has taken. Now we have installed successfully the VM tools. Now we are switching it off. VM power shutdown. Let it shut down. We'll check another time whether it has installed properly or not. Let it shut down. Well friends, we have installed it successfully. Now we are powering it on once more to check our installation. Let it install. Let it start. I can see that we can move our mouse pointer inside of the VM and outside of the VM smooth way because we have installed the VM tools. That is the reason it is integrated with the system. Now let's see our user Oracle 1 user password. Well, perfect, we have installed it properly. Now shut it down. You can shut it down from here also. Just not from this way. So go to system, shut down, come down, shut down. System is terminated, shutting down. So that's all for today, guys. We'll come back soon with another video with the Oracle installation on Oracle Linux. So if you like my video, do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.